What's going on, everybody? Good evening. Mr. Thrasha here. Coming to you from Funhaven. Be joined by Ryan, and we'll also be joined by Kevin and Jenna, and we're all gonna have a little fun here at Funhaven. They got a dark ride here. Never been here. So let's head on in, see what's going on. So I gotta be really careful not to film kids and whatnot. Other than that, I said I could film myself and my own party, and I loaded this up with points. So you need to purchase the points to go on the attractions. There's Kevin. There's me. We're gonna be spinning on the track. We just decided we'd face each other. Oh, geez, it's rickety. It's rickety. I gotta hold on tight to the camera. All right, we're spinning. We're spinning. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, yeah. The whole view of this place. There's Kevin. Look, he's turning. We're turning. Oh, God. Oh, we are. Kevin's got a big smile on his face. We are spinning. Oh, man. Oh, wow. We are spinning now. Oh, wow, look at this. I'm doing a 360s here on the track. Oh, 360s. This camera, if I let go of the camera, it's going flying. This is great, though. Oh. I'm gonna have to go on this a couple times. And, we got mirrors. How you doing, Kevin? Hey, it's awesome. There you go. It's a thrill. All right, get the thrill. Where'd you go? There you go. Oh, man. Oh, it's like, Where'd Kevin go? Oh, there he is. Crazy 8. That was a crazy 8. What'd you think of that, Kevin?
I loved it. Seriously, at the risk of repeating myself, I felt like I was 6 years old again. It was awesome.
Exactly. That's what it's all about. That was wicked. That was thrilling. I'm gonna have to do that again.
Yes.
Probably not right away, but we'll do that again. Air hockey tables. Wow, these are cool. Look at that. Little scoreboard there. We got bumper cars over there. Not gonna spend on air hockey though, more focusing on the rides and stuff. Got an upstairs area here. boring claw machine, but if I came here and paid for the claw machine, I could have gotten one of those cards that I just paid for with the claw. I bought Ryan some points too, so it's going to hit up some arcade games. All the pretty arcade lights. Look at this, the candy locker. We got some Tootsie Rolls in there. Tootsie Rolls, Warheads, used to eat those a lot. Slots and rockets. Looks like a ring pop. Interesting. Hey, another candy machine. Candy. Fishies. Rick and Morty. More arcade games in here. Some skee ball. Pac-Man. Oh wow, look at this. Classic Pac-Man. Who doesn't love to play some classic Pac-Man? I like the video game classics. I'm just not too huge on modern day video games, to be honest. Yeah, it's the Pac-Man. Classic park game that Ryan was talking about. Look at this old school Super Chex hockey. We used to play this all the time. Playing hockey as kids in the arenas. Dead Storm Pirates. Skee ball's tempting. Skee ball's tempting. Laser tag. All four of us. Doing something all four of us can do. So we're going for laser tag. Better grab a little bit more water first. Ryan, we got Jenna, and we got Kevin. We got guns and we got vests. All right, so we're good to go. We're good to go. Got my gun. Got my vest. We're vested. We're ready. I don't know. You go ahead. I'll go in last. Look, we got skulls here. Oh, look at this. This is gonna be cool. Oh wow. So can I shoot you right away?
We got two. Ready to start.
I'm already getting you. Okay, I guess we're all against each other here. I'm gonna keep talking to the audience because there's some copyright music here. Oh God, they could be anywhere. Hard to keep talking over the copyright music. Oh, I see them. Oh geez, this is gonna be hard. I gotta keep talking over the copyrights. It's gonna give away where I am. Oh no. All right, just hiding through every little opening in here. Oh my God, there's two. Oh, we go upstairs too? They could be upstairs. Oh, I hear noises above there. They're upstairs. Oh no, someone's shooting at me. Oh jeez. Well, that actually startles you when you get shot. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh boy. Oh God, where are they? Is someone coming? Oh! See him up there. Oh no! Got me. Shit. It's really hard to see in here. I don't know where anyone's coming from. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this glow in the dark tiki. Oh, okay, now I'm making my way upstairs. Do I know how to find this before? They're just waiting for me to come up. You get a better view up here of them down there. Right there. Right there, my old hiding spot. Why isn't my gun working? Getting thirsty. It could be anywhere in here. There he is. There he is. Straight ahead. My gun isn't even working. I'm shooting right at him. I hear people above me. Oh, I got him. I got him up there. Got him. Oh, someone's shooting at me. Oh, jeez. Oh, see, he's up here. It's up there. Oh, God. Oh. No one's gonna find me in here. I'm actually trying to stay away from the copyright music. Chasing him down. See you shooting down there, Kevin. I see you, Kevin. Oh. Oh, man. Up here underneath this black light. If I stay right here, they're not gonna see me when they come up. All right. Now we're having some fun. Now we're having some fun. Didn't even know he was standing right there. I think I got him. What are you doing just standing there? All right, this is a good idea. You guys are on Mr. Thrash's team. Hide here, they're not gonna see me coming. Just wait right here. Okay, it's hard to film and be incognito at the same time. I'm trying to make my way upstairs. See anybody. Oh, knees! I had to like put my hand beneath here to sense it, to reload it. Someone down here. Now I can shoot him. Now you're dead. Okay, hand beneath the sensor. Saw him run by. Oh, he's coming up. Oh, very inconspicuous. Yeah, this techno music can suck it. Look at this, it's a pumpkin. Yes, I'm like the Terminator, Skynet. Saw you over there. Gotta put the hand beneath to reload. I understand it can be hard to see what we're doing. I'm waiting right at the bottom of the stairs here for somebody to come down. It's like cherry picking in a hockey game. Just waiting for someone to come down here. Boom. Right there. Oh, the light work we have down here though. Oh, better pay attention. Oh no, we have a countdown. 7, 6. You know countdowns.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no. Game over. No. Oh, I guess that's it. All right, well, take a second and look at all the work that they do in here. It's pretty good. Got some black lights in here. You got some blue lights that resemble stars. Lots of really interesting hiding spots. Got some dead flowers here. I like the work with the black lights. The guns do not work now. The eye, when somebody does this, I don't want to waste my credits on this, but you get all 50 in the bucket, you win. I want to go on that roller coaster one more time. I'm gonna hop aboard that again. That looks pretty sweet. There's a lot of interesting stuff you can check out here, especially if you're into arcade games and stuff. I'm not huge on arcade games myself, but a lot of interesting rides and stuff. You can shoot hoops. Hey, here we go again on the crazy earth. I'm by my lonesome here. Where'd Kevin go? Must be playing some arcade games. That's the face you make on the crazy eight. Extreme close up. We're secure here. Don't want to be heaved. I'll try to give you all angles. I'm not showing any underage children. Oh, there's Jenna. I can't film other guests. Strict rules. Oh, they're there. They're there. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, my. All right, we're going backwards now. We're going backwards. Yeah, we're going backwards. Backwards angle. There's Ryan and Jenna. It's hard to get the view. Got the rear view again here. I like this. I like this with the mirrors and everything. Oh, ceiling shot. Oh, crazy 8 shot. Ryan and Jenna over here. There's the escape rooms over there. The all expensive escape rooms. A tight hand on the camera. Gotta be professional. Be professional. Whoa, whoa. It's almost like you're gonna crash through those mirrors. Trying to get there. Oh, oh. Rafters. Rear view. Oh, oh, oh. Mr. Thrasha view. Oh, all right. Slowing down. Cyclone. I like just looking at this thing. Like the little cars that Carpetbagger would get into and ride. The bowling. I wish I was still a child because with this awesome jungle gym. It's like the one from Clown that he kills the kids in. But you gotta be 12 or under to go on that, so no, none of that type of fun for adults. Escape rooms are like 125 bucks a person, so. Thermal camera here. It's showing all of my motions here. So if I had a cigarette, let's see the cigarette. Look, I'm a cigarette ghost. I'm a goatee ghost. Ryan, I'm scared. Over there, but the bumper cars are pretty dead. It's pretty cool though. It's kind of like a whitewater rafting on bumper cars. So we didn't have more people to go in on that. It wouldn't be very fun to just be Mr. Thrash here, bumping around on the bumper cars by himself beneath the disco ball. Yeah, pretty good ride. The Rabbits Hollywood. The Rabbits from Hollywood. Put this in spin. Wheel of Fortune, see what we get. Slam on the stop button. Okay. Swipe the card and hold the lever. That gives you a spin. Very pleasing to the eye. Very pleasing to the eye. I hit the stop button. It doesn't really tell me. It doesn't do tickets. I mean, I enjoyed the show anyway, but it's pretty interesting. Stacker, also winner's cube. None of the prizes are really good though, which is why I don't really, you know, play arcade games too often. My nephew would love this. He's got all his Pokemon cards in there. You should be able to win more interesting things, you know, like cigarettes and stuff. Cigarettes, DVDs. Stuff that Mr. Thrasha could use. Not too much in there. There's a few things we couldn't really do because there weren't really enough people, but I had fun playing laser tag, and I also really enjoyed that roller coaster. That was a lot of fun. Only time I've ever been on a roller coaster here where I live in Ottawa. But please like, please subscribe. If you're new here, subscribe and I'll let you know when a new episode goes up. Never know what you may be missing here on the Mr. Thrasha show. A big smiley face is pretty cool. Okay. Join in next time. Never know what you may be missing here on Mr. Thrash Show. Would have been cool. They should have an adult jungle gym. Should be more adult jungle gyms. I'm telling you.